Modder here with a quick send-in unbrick service proof video for Clayton R. Clayton, this is the console that you sent in, previously bricked RGH Corona for the premium unbrick service, which includes your own NAND decks and stuff here. So first things first, get right to it and demonstrate that the console does in fact boot now and works fine. I did have to build a replacement NAND from donor files. Fortunately, when I wrote the ECC file to your console, it booted up, got me the CPU key pretty quickly, and then was able to build that replacement file from or replacement NAND from donor files. Your LEDs were previously done. You can see it's got the same boot times and that sort of stuff as it would have had previously. I didn't modify the RGH installation at all. The console is going to boot up basically looking like stock dashboard. That's just because I didn't bother to preload or change anything, because I assume having an RGH for a while you kind of already know what you want to do there. So if I just sync a controller to it real fast, I'll just make sure that you still have like excuse me, XEX menu on there, and as long as you do that, then you would obviously still be able to load whatever you want here. So yeah, it looks like it's still there, so just as we would expect it to be, and the console's able to fire up just fine, no problem. And there's XEX menu with, looks like you already had a couple of games loaded and stuff. As far as the premium unbrick portion of it, so if you turn the console to its side here, and you actually look dead on at the grate, you can see underneath the grating right here the wire set. I'll pop it off real fast just so you can really see it well. So just pop off this plastic grate, and you can see here this is your NAND wire. The console's still running right now. Obviously you wouldn't want to plug into it ever then while it was running, but if you ever do manage to write a bad NAND image to the console in the future, all you'll need to do is take the NAND X, which you're going to get with the console when it comes back, plug that into your USB. There's even a USB cable and a little pin header and all that included. Plug that in the USB, plug that in the console, and you'll be able to write any valid NAND back that you want. Backup disk on top there, what I provided you with is a copy of the updflash.bin that I wrote back to the console. So you have that as the base file that you know functions on the console to create new dashboards for with replacement KVs or whatever it is that you need to do. So you're set, you're good to go, unbricked, and we'll get this stuff packed up and headed back your way. Thanks.